Hey guys, it's Dale Walker. Well, we're here at Top Gun Raceway. We got Ratzuki. After 28 years, I got my old bike running again. Today is license day, NHRA license. Hopefully it runs, shifts, and stops. If that happens, I'll be in pretty good shape. It's going to get pretty windy out here. This is Top Gun Raceway in Fallon, local track. This track's about 4,600 feet, so it's about a half second slow. I only got to go 999 or better to license. But anyway, that's what we're doing today. Check back in.
$138? Amen.
Okay, going.
Hey guys, well it's the day after the test and tune, get my license day. So it went pretty good considering this bike hasn't run, or the rider, the old rider, for 28 years. So first we had a little shifting problem. I had to dial in my electric shifter, and I got that fixed. And I was still kind of feeling out the bike. It was just to get my license, and being a high altitude track, it actually was 1040 is all I had to go to get my level 6 749 and 999 NHRA license renewed. So anyway, I just kind of snuck up on it. But we have a problem. I don't think it's the same misfire problem at all. I could be wrong, but to me, I think I'm going to have to make a divider plate behind the rear frame tubes. Years ago I had more of an aluminum air box in this thing. Now there's nothing. Didn't really have an air box, but I had it kind of like it is, but I always had a little plate in the back. And it feels like surging and weird stuff. Once it gets up to about 125, 130, you heard it in the videos, it's not really misfiring, it's kind of gurgling and surging and weird stuff. I don't believe it's fuel delivery. Like I say, this is just by feel and experience. I could be wrong, but I'm going to come up with some kind of plate in the back. It's so much air turbulence around there, I think it's pulling it right back out of the carburetors and causing an intake signal to go absolutely crazy, like a vortex in there. So that's going to be the first thing I'm going to try. Probably in a couple of weeks we'll go back to the track. But hey, the old guy and the old bike still did okay. It only went 134, 138 because the poor thing wouldn't run. It was like, come on Dad, let me go. But yeah, poor thing, it was being held back. And hey, it was all right. The last two runs I went a 9:45 and a 9:46 in a row. And only in the 150, low 150, 60-foot time. I should be running at least 130s, probably mid 130s or something with this thing, I would think. But I'll get there. So I hope you enjoyed it. And we'll come back when we run it again. I'm going to pull it down. I'm going to do a leak down. I'm going to go ahead and drop the oil, pull the pan, drop the pan, and then work on that plate and take it out again. So anyway, I'll see you on the next one, and thanks for watching.